Kain tayo. Let's eat. Hi, I'm Christine, and I've been teaching the Filipino language for more than 10 years now. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino for Tourists and Expats. Our love for food, okay, and love for eating for that matter, okay, extends to everybody. Okay, you be a Filipino or an expat or a tourist. Okay, our love for eating extends to you. Okay, kain tayo. Let's eat. Kain tayo is one of those famous lines which shows Filipino hospitality in our warm culture. Usually, when you want to greet you hi, or instead of saying hi, and we see you in the cafeteria or in the restaurant, we say kain tayo. So kain means eat. Okay. Tayo is the pronoun we inclusive of the listener. So when we use tayo, we use it for invitation. So kain is the verb or the activity and we invite you to eat. So we put tayo. So kain tayo, let's eat. Let's discuss how you will have to answer this properly without feeling awkward or maybe um, worrying that you offended your Filipino friend inviting you to eat. So as I have said, kain tayo is not just an invitation, but in the context of eating places like restaurants or your office cafeteria, this is also another way of saying hello or hi. So usually when you see other people or friends in these eating places, they ask you, kumusta ka, how are you, and follow it because you're in an eating place and follow it with kain tayo. So how do you answer? Kain tayo. Okay. So you can say salamat, thank you. You remember that lesson? Salamat, busog ako. Okay, so you can say salamat, busog ako. Busog means full. Okay? Ako is the pronoun I. So you say, thank you, I'm full. Okay? Another way to reply is to say, salamat, tapos na. Okay? So in the context of eating, or you're in the eating place, okay, so you said thank you, and you inform the person that you're tapos na, you're finished eating. So salamat, tapos na. Usually, salamat is preceded by sige. I told you, you have to master sige because sige is one of the most flexible words. No, you can say sige, salamat, busog ako, or you can also say sige, salamat, tapos na. Okay. So sige is all right, or it could also mean in that context, go ahead. So when you say sige, salamat, busog ako, or sige, salamat, tapos na, okay, when you forget, okay, just in case you forget, because there are three kinds of responses, no? All you should remember, more importantly, is to say salamat, okay? Thank you for the invitation to eat. You do not have to sit with them because you might worry that the food is not enough, or are we really sincere in asking you to eat with us? But actually, it's a form of acknowledgement. Okay, it's a form of acknowledging your presence, that we saw you and we're happy to see you, and that's why we're saying hello in the context of saying let's eat or kain tayo. Wrapping up in this video, we learned about kain tayo, words and phrases related to eating. Kain tayo is one way to say hello. That's one meaning. Number two, kain tayo is also an invitation to eat, which is number three, a concrete manifestation of the Filipinos' warmth and hospitality. So, there are several responses that you can use for kain tayo when someone invites you or says hello to you by using kain tayo. You can say sige, salamat, or meaning go ahead, thank you. Or you can say sige, salamat, tapos na. Or Go ahead, thank you, I'm finished, or I'm done eating. And number three, you can say, sige, salamat, busog ako. Go ahead, thank you, I'm full. So, happy eating. Thank you for watching.